This is lesson 5, hands-on equations. I've been told by a couple of students that the volume of my recording is not that loud, so I'm going to try and talk a little bit louder today through today's lesson so that you don't have to turn the volume the whole way up on your videos. Here we go. We're going to start with today our learning target, and your learning target today is I can solve multi-step algebraic equations and combine like terms to form equivalent expressions when solving algebraic equations. So we're talking about like terms today and solving your algebra problems. And the terms that we're talking about are our variables. So it's x here. Let's look at our first problem. Our first problem is 5x minus 3x plus 2 equals x plus 5. We haven't solved any problems yet with a subtraction operation in it. So let me show you how you're going to set this up on your scale. Here we go. First, you're going to start by working it left to right, just like you always have. We have 5 x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it says minus 3x. So that actually takes away 3 of the 5 x's or variables that we just put up. So I'm going to take away 3. 1, 2, 3. Those are the 3 I took away. I'm actually going to put them down here, but I wanted to show you that I was taking 3 away. So what I'm actually left with, it's 5x minus 3x is actually 2x. That's combining our like terms. We can combine these two because x equals x. So now we can continue putting the rest of the manipulatives on the scale. So we have plus 2 equals x plus 5. X plus 5. And now you can solve it using your legal moves just like you've solved the other equations. So starting with your variables, you can take away an x from both sides. And then you look at your number cubes because we do not have any more variables on both sides. I can take 2 away from both sides. If I take away 2 here, and if I take away 2 here, I'm left with how much? 3. I can exchange that for the 2 I took away because 2 plus 3 equals 5. So now I can look at it and say x equals 3. If I put my equation back up on the scale, 3 plus 2 is 5. Put my x back up, 2 number cube, and my other x. Now I'm going to plug in what I solved was 3. So 3 plus 3, or 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8, and 3 plus 5 is 8. So x equals 3 and 8 does check equal 8. Yes, both sides agree. They both equal. So here is where we were combining our like terms. It's looking at this part of our equation where we have 5x minus 3x. You can probably do that in your head. Let's try another one. If you guys know of a faster way for me to erase that board, please let me know. Okay, here we go. Another equation. This time it's 2x plus x minus x plus 1 equals x plus 9. Now before you begin putting your manipulatives onto your scale, look in your equation, find your like terms. Here we have 2x plus x minus x. When we combine those terms, what do we end up with? Well, 2x plus x would be 3x, minus x would actually leave us with 2x. So the plus x minus x just cancels each other out. So we can build it. So build it on your scale and solve. If you need more time to solve, please pause. When you solve this, you should get that x equals 8. And when you check it, you find that 17 equals 17. Okay? I'm going to write one more equation at the top of the screen. I'm not going to help build this one. You want to think about your like terms when you are putting your manipulatives on your scale. We have 4 plus 3x minus 2x an x plus x equals x plus 5. Okay, pause, combine your like terms, and solve for x. On the left-hand side of your equation, here are your like terms: 3x minus 2x plus x. 3x minus 2x would actually give you, okay, forgive me, I had to pause and rework the problem because I noticed that I made a mistake. So when we combine our like terms, 3x minus 2x plus 1. 3x minus 2x is 1, or just x, plus another x would give us 2x. So we bring down the rest of our equation. It's really 4 plus 2x equals x plus 5. When you build it on your scale and solve it, you should find that x equals 1. And when you check it, 6 equals 6. So now you can say that you can solve these algebraic equations. You're continuing to use your legal moves that you learned, but now that you can solve equations by combining like terms within the same equation to create an equal equation. So print off lesson 5 and you may complete it.